to be awarded by Judge Yanni will receive 5,000 in cash, plaque, sash, and flowers, less 10%.
Hindi na ito mapupunta kasi napasawag na ako sa akin. Ang bongga ng pinagpakla.
Okay! Ito po ay base kung ano po ang ibinigay ng mga hurado. Okay, whatever it is, ladies, congratulations. Do I have to announce the scores? Just to be fair, okay. Our fourth runner-up, garnering an average of 95%. DJ, drum beat please.
Lapit pa tayo ng slide.
And our fourth runner-up, DJ. DJ drum beat po. Hindi po investigasyon. Perfect. So be it. Our fourth runner-up is candidate number. Candidate number 1, Karen Montecillo.
Congrats, Karen, for runner-up. Karen Montecillo, for announcement of winners ng gala. Number 9. Yes, sinipet niya for the third runner-up.
And that is candidate number 9, Miss Aya Garcia.
Aya Garcia's third runner-up.
Lang po ang pagitan sa ating third runner-up. To be awarded by Miss Maldita. Will receive a sash, a cash, and a flowers, and a crown, with the cash of 10,000 in cash. Congratulations, candidate number 6.
Gremla Victoria is our presenter.
Okay, ladies.
Ayan na, last standing.
Madam, maraming salamat, Madam Maldita. Ladies, I'm going to call
Last standing is gratis ko naman ni Joshua. Just to give you an information, it's just 0.2 lang po ang nilamang
ng nanalo. But still, ladies, congratulations, you nailed it. When you nailed it, manikurista ka. Our first runner-up will receive 15,000 in cash, sash, crown, and bouquet to be awarded by Miss Candy Segovia. And of course, to be escorted by our SK Agawad Clarence kaibigan. At ang matitira po would be our first ever Queen of Baclaran to be awarded by our very own Miss Maria Cristina Dandan and our SK Chairwoman Miss Kate Manahas will receive 20,000 in cash, sash, crown, flowers, and many more. Ang unang tatawagin ko, ang uutusan ko.
Laro!
Our first runner-up carrying an average of 98%, and the Queen of Baclaran is 98.2%. Okay, tumawag si Ma'am Charo. Yung Queen daw ang tawagin. Our first ever Queen of Baclaran.
Let's go guys. Lapit na tayo ng round.
With an average of 98.2%. And that is candidate number. Candidate number. And of course, pasalamatan muna natin lahat ng ating SK officials. Palakpakan naman natin. They did a great job. Palakpakan naman po. Yung puso mo, magbra ka kasi na. Okay, ladies. Our Queen of Baclaran is none other than candidate number. DJ. Candidate number. Candidate number. And of course, maraming salamat po. Barangay Baclaran headed by our very own Cap June Saide. Maraming salamat po. Balang subuhin nyo. Antay kayo. And that is candidate number. Ang sarap ng babe. Malas. Candidate number 11. Our first runner-up is candidate number 13 with an average of 98%. Ladies, point to lang. Ayan. Queen of Baclaran. And that is candidate number 11. With great Chairwoman, Miss Kate Mangahan, and of course, sa ating project head, Vic Palok. And of course, maraming salamat.